In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy Smartsheet. Whether you want to duplicate an entire sheet or just a few specific parts, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you're logged into Smartsheet. Once you're logged in, head over to your workspace where all your sheets are stored. This is the best starting point and ensures you're in the right place to begin copying. Next, you need to open the specific Smartsheet that you're interested in duplicating. It could be a project plan, a budget tracker, or any sheet you've got on the go. Now that you have your desired sheet open, look for the File menu in the toolbar. Click on it and select Save as New. This option is essentially your duplication command, allowing you to create a fresh version of your existing sheet. You'll then be prompted to give this new sheet a name. It's a good idea to choose a name that makes it easy to distinguish from the original, especially if you're copying it to make substantial updates or changes. You'll also need to decide where to save it. You can select an existing folder in your workspace, or create a new one if you like things neat and organized. One important consideration during this process is whether to include comments, attachments, or cell history in your new sheet. You'll see an option to include or exclude these elements depending on what information you need carried over. If you're sharing this sheet or moving it to a new department, think about what information is relevant and necessary. Once you're satisfied with your choices, simply click Save. But what if you don't need the entire sheet, just a few components? Don't worry, Smartsheet makes it easy. Start by highlighting the specific cells, rows, or columns you wish to copy. For quick copy action, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. Alternatively, you can right-click and select the Copy option from the context menu. Once you've copied your desired parts, move on to the destination where you'd like them pasted. This could be a new sheet, a different section within the same sheet, or even another Smartsheet altogether. Navigate to that location and select your desired placement area. To complete the transfer, use the Ctrl+V shortcut on Windows or Command+V on a Mac, or right-click and select Paste from the menu. And there you have it. Your selected content should appear exactly where you wanted. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your Smartsheet data, whether you're organizing projects, collaborating with others, or simply tidying up your workspace. Thanks for joining today's tutorial, and happy Smartsheet copying!